All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time visiting here, I'm Jason, and I'm an affiliate marketer. And I also run this channel to teach other people how to be so how to make money online. So what we do is we go and we get these products and we go in and prove that we can make money with them, and we put them on our channel. Now, this particular series I'm working with right now is we're just doing this live. So we're going through every day to see how long it takes us to turn $5 a day, which is using 5 MLGS accounts. So we want to turn that $5 a day into $4,000 a month with a free product on Clickbank. So this one is more experimental. So we're going to see how long it takes us. And these others are proven ways that we've already proven that we can make money with. So let's jump right into Clickbank. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, we would certainly appreciate if you would do so. And if you find any value in this video, we'd appreciate if you'd throw us a like up. All right, so we'll log into our Clickbank and let's just see some stats for today. Let's see. This is the first time we've done anything with Clickbank, was just to do this, run this process this way, this simple copy and paste. We wanted to see how long it would take us to be able to start building some income, just doing copy and paste. Now, obviously, when you're out there and you're actually trying to promote a business and promote a link, there are a lot of different ways to advertise and to get that out there. For instance, social media, email marketing, which is some of what we're doing here, but you'd also build your list. There's paid ads, there is buying traffic. But we decided when we were going to run this particular series, we just wanted to do simple copy paste emails and see if it was possible and how long it would take us to start turning a decent income just from a free product and $5 a day. Because we want to show easy ways that people can start affiliate marketing in as little as 10-15 minutes a day, because this does not take that long. It takes me a little longer on the videos because I explain as we go. But if I was just going to jump in and do these emails, it takes 5 or 6 minutes, and that's on 5 accounts. So this is something that is really quick, really easy, and it's all done, ready to go, copy, paste, and you can start bringing in a side income. And once you start building that up, then you can start expanding into different areas, right? Maybe you want some higher ticket items. That's where the real money is at in high ticket affiliate marketing, or marketing a product that is a really good product, which there's a few on the channel. And then those products are based on a subscription. So you get paid recurring payments as you go. So you want to find one that's got a good commission rate. Normally I like to work with anything 70-80%. So one of my main offers right now is 80% commissions, which you can't really beat it. It's pretty awesome. But anyway, so here we go. All right, let's see. So we've started to get some people actually going further and clicking on some different offers inside here. Now this one we're about to break. We're 2,928, and that is clicks to our link. So yesterday, I think we decided we were sending to 12,000 emails. So almost 3,000 of those have clicked. So those are pretty good rates. And we're getting people still going to our checkout page for order form. So we're still checking it out. And we're going to see exactly how long it takes us to start getting these converted into sales. It shouldn't take very much longer, I wouldn't think. We're now into it. This is day 19 of the series. And it may take, we may start that next program And we may get a sale on this while we're starting to run that. So there's just no telling. So we will find out though. That is why we're doing this. We want to find out. All right, so let's jump into my lead gen secret. Now we're gonna start with our first account. And like I say, the first account always takes just a little bit longer to set up because you're gonna go in here and you've got to place everything in here. Again, we'll do this again. You do not need to worry about this. You don't need these. As a matter of fact, if you get into this and you want more emails for different offers, just let me know, comment or something. Let me know. I've got a ton of email swipes. I've even got these swipes for this system. I'll send them to you, or I'll put them in a document and give you access. It's not that big a deal. Here's where we're going to want. So mailing system, we're going to use this, and then we'll look at our statistics after we're done to kind of see how things are going. And let's go ahead and just, well, I guess we can get rid of those, can't we? Clear. All right, so let's go ahead and hit mailing system. And we're going to select all of our leads. We always want to select all. There's no reason you should ever go in here and just select one line or something like that. Always select all, because that way you're sending to everyone that you're building on your list, all your leads. So this one here is 3,900 today. Now, eventually this will build. I've got accounts that are up over almost 70,000. And this will build. It'll just keep building as we go. That's what we're wanting. We want those great big numbers in there because that's when we're going to get just a ton of traffic. All right, so you're going to leave this. You're going to leave this. Don't need to touch either one of those. And I'm going to grab our subject line for today. So email 19 today. It'll be Control C and then Control V right there. There's our subject line. And then we're going to grab our email. And we're going to highlight and Control V to paste. So we're going to put our name, or your name, and my name. And then here again, we're going to change out that short code for the proper short code format, which is right there. So that way it says their name when we email this. I'll get rid of all the bold, and we're going to highlight our link, bold, and I like to go a little bit bigger. And we'll just check it, see. Yep, that is our link. All right, so this is ready to send. This is done. I've already inserted the links into both of these. And when you do that, like I showed before, you're just going to highlight where you want it. So this is where it goes. And you're going to click the little link icon up here. And you're just going to copy, you're just going to paste, you're going to copy your link from wherever you have it sitting. And you're just going to Control V and paste it in here and hit OK. That's it. It's simple. And then this is ready to go. So as always, I'm going to Control C and copy this so I have it ready for the next one. And then we'll send that first one out. A little slower today. My internet's being weird because the wind is insane here today. All right, so let's duplicate. And then we'll go sign out and go into our next account. Be number 2. Okay, mailing system, select all. We already have our email copied, so we're just going to go Control V, paste it in there. Perfect timing. Grab our subject, Control C, Control V, down here, highlight the email, Control C, and send. So quick, if I wasn't talking and showing everything else and showing stats on these, this would be really, really fast to go in here and do these. So you can see how easy this would be just to do something on the side to start building a side income that eventually you can turn into something real. Because there's a lot of products in Clickbank. Clickbank's huge, obviously. And there's a ton of products in there that you can do this with. And if you run out of products, then you can just start over. And by the time you start over, you're going to have so many leads in here. It's just going to be insane. And you're going to get sales. It's just, there's no way you can't. The stats are just, there's just going to be so many people going to this link. You're going to get sales. Now, obviously, we can't make any guarantees because everybody's different, but now you just think about it. Do you really think that you're not going to get sales sending this offer out to so many people? So highlight, Control V to paste. Perfect timing. Grab our subject. Oops. And then we'll grab our email. Control C and send. So this is day 19. So we've got one more email to send out tomorrow for this series. And then we're going to go in and we're going to pick a new series of emails and a new offer from Clickbank, still free, still from Clickbank. We're just going to pick a new offer with a high gravity. And honestly, it's more than likely it's going to be the one directly below this. Is we're going to start and we're going to do the same thing. And then we're just going to see how much we can make and how long this takes. So there goes the last one of these, or for today, the last account. And then of course we'll have the 20th one going out tomorrow. Now I've seen people in all different variations doing this exact method. I've seen people start and make their first couple sales within the first week. I've seen people start and it take until they start the next batch of their emails, and then they'll see one come in from the last batch. I've seen that. And once that starts happening, it starts to get steady because you're getting so many leads out there. Now, since we started with brand new, fresh accounts, we're not dealing with that many leads yet. Like I said, on some of my other accounts, I've got I'm emailing 70,000, and that's times, well, I've got 15 of these accounts. So the other 10 I use for different offers. So anything that I am promoting, I use 5 of these accounts because it's a way to just get your offer in front of just masses and masses amounts of people, which is what we want. As an affiliate, your job is to get your link in front of people. So why not do our job on a huge level with a huge amount, getting your link out into just thousands of people at one time. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you being here like always. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Please hang around, check these out so we can see how long it's going to take us to start making this. If you haven't jumped into start doing something like this before, already, if you're waiting until you see some money start turning, that's fine. I get it. but you're going to be that much further behind if you do that. This is already proven. It's not proven by me yet. We're just working with it. But we're going to see how long it takes us to start turning that. I'm sure once we start turning some income, we'll have we'll peak some more interest, because it always does. Just like if you watch some of my other videos, there's not a lot of interest there until I start showing some money. And that's fine. I get it. But thanks for being here. Thanks for following along. Make sure you jump on the last one of this series tomorrow. More than likely what we'll do, we'll send the last email on this offer tomorrow, and then the following day we'll go in and do a little bit longer video, because we'll go pick a new offer from Clickbank, and then we'll get those emails all set up. And again, like this one, I'll put that in a Google Doc below, so that you guys can just go and pull it right from my video and have it ready. You don't have to log into Clickbank every day. But if you like logging into Clickbank, looking at your stats and things like that, you don't want to do that anyway. So either way is cool. Either way works. Other than that, I'm going to get out of here, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.